Today, I'll walk you through how to convert MP3 to text. To begin, simply log into Sunscribe at sunscribe.us. You have the option to use your credentials or sign in through your Google account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look for the Upload Audio button to upload your MP3 file. Next, select the language and accent spoken in the audio, then kick off the transcription process by clicking Transcribe. Depending on the file size, this step may take some time, but don't worry, we'll notify you via email once it's complete. Once the transcription is done, review the text for any minor errors. Sunscribe offers an integrated media player that highlights words in the audio, making it easy to correct any mistakes. You can also use the playback controls to revisit specific sections for confirmation or correction. And don't forget to update speaker names labeled as 1, 2, and so on to the speaker's names. When you're happy with the transcript, download it in your preferred format, TXT or Word. Sunscribe gives you the option to include or exclude speaker names and timestamps according to your preference. That's it, you have transcribed the MP3 file to text. Thanks for choosing Sunscribe and happy transcribing.